आर यू समवन जिसको ये डिसाइड करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है अपने स्नैक टाइम पे या ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम पे कि आज मैं मीठा खाऊँ या आज मैं नमकीन कुछ खाऊँ? वेल, फिकर नॉट, बिकॉज आई हैव समथिंग फॉर ईच वन ऑफ यू टुडे. Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए ले आई हूँ दो सुपर अमेजिंग सैंडविच रेसिपीज़. एक है स्वीट और एक है सेवरी. सो ईच वन ऑफ यू गेट टू पिक योर फेवरेट. दे आर सिंपल, दे आर ईजी टू मेक एंड definitely healthy. Trust me, each member of your family is going to love these two sandwiches and great for your snack time cravings, you know, because they can be made in a jiffy and of course for your breakfast. So without further rambling, let's get to the recipes. But before that, you know the drill by now, right? Subscribe and don't forget to share and like my videos and my channel. So let's get to the kitchen now. So for our first sandwich, which is going to be our sweet sandwich for the day, I have chopped up 2 small apples here. आप एप्पल्स को ग्रेट भी कर सकते हैं और अगर आपके एप्पल्स का स्किन बहुत मोटा है so you can also peel the skin before chopping them. I have finely chopped them. Then I have taken 2 tablespoons of almond butter here, which is again unsalted, unsweetened. You can take any nut butter of your choice, for example cashew butter या फिर peanut butter या फिर अगर seed butter है तो वो भी ले सकते हैं. And here are some dark chocolates that I have taken, again unsweetened. You can use chocolate chips instead, of course whole wheat bread. Then this is my staple mixed seeds जो मेरे घर में हमेशा रहता है, and this is optional in this recipe. And of course a pinch of salt. And to toast all of it in my sandwich maker, I will take some ghee. Instead of ghee you can also use butter if you want to. तो सबसे पहले इन chopped up apples में हम डाल देंगे हमारा nut butter of choice, pinch of salt, 1 to 2 tablespoon of the mixed seeds powder, and of course the dark chocolate chunks. So the funny story behind this dark chocolate chunk is I ordered them as chips, dark chocolate chips, but it came in this form. When it came, it was all melted, and I have been using this since then as just chunks. So mix this mixture properly so that you know there are no, it's all evenly spread. Okay, so this is what my mixture looks like after mixing it. I want to make it a little bit more creamier, so I will add 1 more tablespoon of the almond butter that I have used. But you can take your decision and then choose not to add any more almond butter. But trust me, this butter is not harmful at all. It's unsweetened and it is full of good fats and protein, and this will give you that boost of energy, this sandwich, in the morning or in your snack time. So trust me, a little bit more almond butter will definitely not harm you but amp up your sandwich taste. So in total I have used 3 tablespoons of almond butter. So now that our mixture is ready, I will take 2 bread pieces and I will generously put this stuffing inside the bread. And trust me, जब आप इसको टोस्ट करोगे या फिर if you're using the sandwich maker, all this chocolate will be heated up और ये एकदम gooey होके पूरे sandwich में spread हो जाएगा. So this is going to be so tasty and your little ones are going to enjoy this sandwich. So before using our sandwich maker, I will lightly brush it with some ghee. You can also use butter if you do not like the smell of ghee, but I personally, and of course my family, we just love ghee. We love everything ghee. The reason why we are doing this is to just make sure कि आपके sandwich maker के साथ आपका sandwich stuck ना हो जाए. चिपक ना जाए. एंड इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव अ सैंडविच मेकर, बाय द वे, डोंट थिंक दैट यू कैन नॉट मेक दिस सैंडविच. आप इसको टोटली तवा पे टोस्ट कर सकते हो एंड इट इज़ इक्वली गोइंग टू बी टेस्टी. ऑलराइट, सो हमारे सैंडविच मेकर ने दिखा दिया है ग्रीन सिग्नल. नाउ आफ्टर शोइंग ग्रीन सिग्नल ऑल्सो मैं इसको 1 मिनट और रखना पसंद करती हूँ बिकॉज आई लाइक दैट एक्स्ट्रा टोस्टेड फीलिंग इन माई सैंडविच. And now I am going to open my sandwich and oh my god, look, I can literally hear the sizzling sound. Not sure whether you can hear it in the camera or not, but I can definitely. And my kitchen smells divine. It goes perfect with your child's evening milk, and this is so healthy. It goes perfect with your evening chai. Look at this. Can you see this chocolate melting here? Wow, I am ready to devour. So, for our second sandwich, which is savory, I have taken our favorite paneer. मैंने यहाँ पे 200 ग्राम पनीर ग्रेट कर लिया है and I have taken 1 small size of capsicum जिसको मैं इसमें डाल दूँगी. Just make sure that your vegetables are chopped finely in this case because you do not want to bite huge chunks of vegetables. I have also grated 1 carrot here, a little big in size. You can also chop your carrot, but I am not that great in chopping it finely. Of course, salt to make this mixture more yummy. And then I will take pepper, some tomato sauce, chili sauce. Again, chili sauce is completely optional. And then for taste I will also take some chaat masala and of course bread and our favorite cheese. Now cheese is optional in this case, so as the chili sauce, but I don't mind a little cheese because I just love cheese and cheese has good amount of protein, right? So let's make the rest of our ingredients here. We'll mix it nicely and then assemble our sandwich. अगर आपको सॉस का टेस्ट पसंद नहीं है तो आप सॉस मत डालिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ सॉस, इफ़ यू वांट टू पुट सम ग्रीन चटनी इंस्टेड, यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल. ऑल्सो आप इसमें अनियंस डाल सकते हैं बिकॉज आपने कैप्सिकम डाला है, बट बिकॉज आई एम मेकिंग इट फॉर अ फ्रेंड टुडे हु डजंट लाइक कच्चा अनियन, सो आई विल skip the onions in this case and then mix it nicely. वन मोर टिप हियर, अगर आपको पनीर का कच्चा टेस्ट नहीं अच्छा लगता है, यू कैन कम्प्लीटली सॉटे दिस on your pan with a pinch of oil, this mixture, before assembling your sandwich. Mixture is ready. The salt that I had put in initially, it was perfect. I didn't have to put any more salt or sauce. Assemble our sandwiches. We will put 2 bread here. No need to put any more chutney on the bread क्योंकि already आपने sauce वगैरह mix करके रखा है. So spread your mixture generously on your bread. Make sure कि आप corners तक अपने mixture को पहुँचाएं. And now my favorite thing is a slice of cheese. Again, this is optional, but cheese is good protein and good fat. You can also grate your cheese instead of a slice of cheese. I just had slice handy today at home, so I'm going to make that. And our sandwich number 2 is ready. Let's cut them and see how they turned out. Look at our savory sandwich. Nice and vibrant. Guys, enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to write a comment in the comment section below कि आपको कौन सा सैंडविच अच्छा लगा, स्वीट या सेवरी. मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट तो एप्पल एंड नट बटर सैंडविच है बिकॉज आई लव एनीथिंग स्वीट. See you guys for my next video. Thank you so much.